Hello, beautiful people, and how are you doing? My name is Caroline Mamboy, and welcome to today's episode. And today, you are going to be cooking with me for on a very lazy day. Yeah, and the day just involved cooking of very simple meals. And here, I started with my breakfast, which was some tea. I also did an egg and a loaf, and the loaf was just a simple loaf with some blue band. Yeah, we said it was a lazy day, not feeling like doing anything, and I hereby cooked some very simple meals. Yeah. So in case you are new here, karibu sana. Welcome. In this channel, we do love visitors. Yeah, feel at home. Yeah, and in this channel, you are going to find a lot of homemaking content, some cooking here and there, a lot of cleaning and makeovers whenever we have the money, and of course, any content around home, yeah, is content for us in this channel, and you are going to find a lot of things about home in this channel. So if this is the kind of content you love, make sure you hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be among the first to be notified. I normally upload my videos in form of premieres on Tuesday and on Thursday. So just stick by and you are going to definitely enjoy content from this channel.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show.
I love my egg a bit brown, but this one was not cooperating, but I just took it as it was. And yeah, I enjoyed the breakfast behind camera before I could turn on to washing utensils. Yes, I decided to take breakfast before I could clean utensils because I was so hungry, and you can already guess which day this was. This was Sunday. Yes, this was Sunday, a lazy day, just lazing around and not doing so much. Yes, you of course know on Sunday is a resting day. I actually don't do so much. Yeah, and the previous day I had not cleaned utensils, so I decided to clean them all together with the breakfast utensils. Yeah, so that I will reduce my work during the day.
I just wanna be happy.
I don't know what happened to the light. Sometimes my camera tends to misbehave. I think there was too much reflection from the ring light, but just watch it as it is because I only realized the quality of the video was bad as I was editing. Be sure next time it won't repeat itself.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
This was now lunch, and I decided to cook the simplest meal, and I was just preparing some githeri, yeah, with tomatoes alone. Yes, alone. Who told you I even had the energy to go look for some Royco cubes? I didn't, or even an avocado. No, 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 no. We just took it as it was, and we enjoyed it. Let me say, yeah, we did enjoy it. Yeah, for dinner, I decided to cook some ugali, and I was craving for some chicken. Yeah, so I did cook some chicken and greens. And on Sundays, most of the people don't usually open. The lady who does my greens was not present, so I had to just cut them by myself. Yeah, by the way, sometimes if I'm in the moods, I do the cutting by myself, but if I don't want to cut them, I just usually allow her to do it for me because she is a clean one. Yes, I know she cleans them so well. Yeah, so I did them in the house now that it was on Sunday and she wasn't even around.
Memories die out too hard. And we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic climate.
case you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to say thank you. I'm grateful for the time you do spare to come and just catch up with my content. I want to especially thank my Premier Gang members and also my returnees. May God bless you for every sacrifice you make to just come and watch what I have prepared for you. So for my greens, you know it, I don't usually add tomatoes. Yeah, I just cook them as they are with some onions and enough oil. Yeah, so that was my chicken cooking. It was some ex kienyeji chicken. Yeah, I call the Nairobi ones that way because I just believe that the village chickens are the original kienyeji chickens. Yes, because they really taste better than these ones we get in town. But we enjoyed it though. Yes, it was a really good one. And yeah, guys.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks.